Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode in Gmail. Dark mode gives Gmail a darker appearance, making it more comfortable to use in low-light environments and helping reduce eye strain. So let's get started. First, open Gmail on your computer. If you haven't already, sign in to your Google account. Next, click the Settings icon in the top right corner of the screen. Then, click See All Settings. At the top of the Settings page, click the Themes tab. Now, click Set Theme. A window will appear with a variety of themes. Select the dark theme from the available options. You can preview the theme before applying it. Once you're happy with your selection, click Save. Gmail will immediately switch to dark mode. If you ever want to change the appearance again, simply return to Settings, open Themes, and choose a different theme. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to turn on dark mode in Gmail. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Gmail tips, Google Workspace tutorials, and productivity guides. See you in the next video.